Hi, so in this video I am going to show you how to fetch data from your WhatsApp and paste it in a sheet, Google Sheet, and automatically assign to your employees in Trello, and as well as send the whole detail in WhatsApp group. Okay, so first of all, I have just logged in. This is our dashboard. For example, I have created a word Trello. Okay, trigger word is Trello. So as soon as someone types a message with Trello in between, it will automatically capture that response and save it in Google Sheet here. So, for example, I have this is my office number. So I have just to give a response. I need Trello automation and save it in group. So this is a whole word, right? So as soon as I receive this message have been sent, and automatically in the webhook response, it will show you as this message have been sent to this hook, okay, which is connected to this Google Sheet here. Okay, as soon as the message received, just a sec, it will take 10 to 20 seconds to get the message here. It will automatically assign the employee from any, like if you have 10 employees, so one person with first person will get the lead, then second person, then third person. After 10th 11th lead will go to the again first person. It's a round robin situation here. Okay, so as you can see, this message have arrived just right now. Okay, with the time and date, with name, number, the whole message. Now the employee will be assigned to this lead, right? Then it will get sent to Trello. After Trello, it will get sent to group, WhatsApp group. Okay, so it's an automated process. It will take again 10 to 20 seconds to assign the employee, then send the request to Trello. Let me show you how you can manually trigger it also. So this is the code behind it all. Okay, as you can see, the message have been assigned to Mahesh. It has been assigned to Trello also, right? The Mahesh Kumar is the assigned member. Lead name and number is here. The whole conversation is here, and as well as if we can see here, new lead with the date and time have been saved here, right? So this is the whole automation for Trello working as discussed. Now we can also test it out and let me know. Thank you.